I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a wooden glide bait. Crafting your own fishing lures is a rewarding experience, and a wooden glide bait can be incredibly effective. We'll start by gathering all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a good wood blank, perhaps a piece of cedar or pine, along with basic woodworking tools like a coping saw, sandpaper, and a drill. Always ensure your workspace is safe and well ventilated before beginning. Now let's get to shaping the bait's body. First, transfer your desired glide bait template onto your wood blank. Precision here is key for a good swimming action. Use a coping saw to carefully cut out the bait's profile. Take your time to ensure clean lines. Once cut, use various grits of sandpaper to smooth out the entire body, creating a hydrodynamic shape. This step is crucial for the bait's movement in the water. Next, we'll focus on weighting and adding hardware. Drill precise holes in the belly of your bait for weights, often using lead or tungsten. The goal is a slow sink rate, ideally around 1 foot per second, for a natural presentation. Then, install screw eyes for your line tie and hook attachment points. Ensure these are securely fastened, perhaps with a drop of epoxy, to withstand the forces of a strong fish. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Apply several coats of a durable sealant to protect the wood from water damage. Once dry, unleash your creativity by painting the bait with realistic or eye-catching color patterns. A clear epoxy or top coat will add shine and further protect your artwork. Attach sharp treble hooks, and then, the most exciting part, test your new wooden glide bait in the water to ensure its perfect swimming action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.